Hey guys, I'm Matthew, and this is a series where I make a web design related video every day for 25 days. This is video 2, how to install WordPress for offline use with a Wampserver installation. In your browser of choice, you can type in www.wampserver.com and click enter. To make the website English, you can click English on the top. Now we're going to click on start using Wampserver and then click on Wampserver 64 bits. You don't have to fill out this form. There's a link on the top for you to download the Wampserver directly, and that's what we're clicking on now. So you might get this pop-up asking how you want to save the file. I'm just going to leave it as Wampserver 3.3 and save. It's a relatively big file. It's 335 megabytes, so give it time to download. Once the file is downloaded, you can double click on it and click run. Click OK and accept and click next, and then click next again. We're gonna save this file in WAMP and then click next. When it's finished installing, you'll get asked which browser you want to use the Wampserver with. I'm going to use Chrome, so I'm going to click yes and navigate to the Chrome application. I want the notepad to be the same, so I'm going to click no. And then I'm going to click next and click finish. Now we're going to go to applications and open the Wampserver app. And then we're going to look at our icons at the bottom of our screen. There's an arrow pointing up. I'm going to click on that to view the icons, and I can see that there's a WordPress icon here. I'm going to right click and click exit. And then I'm going to open the Wampserver app again. Now I'm going to go open a new tab on my browser and type in localhost. This screen is correct, so now we're going to open a new tab that goes to wordpress.org. Click Get WordPress, and then we're going to click Download WordPress. Once you've downloaded the WordPress file successfully, you can view it in your file manager. If you right click on it, you can select Extract All, and now we're going to click Browse. After we clicked Browse, we navigated to the folder called www, and now we're going to click select that folder and this is what it should look like here. And then we're gonna click extract. After the files were extracted successfully, you can now go to your browser again and type in localhost, and you can now see that you have WordPress under your project section. So now we're gonna click add a virtual host, type in WordPress, and this is what your path should be. And then we're gonna click this and choose PHP 8.0, and then click start the creation. Now we need to restart DNS. So at the bottom in your icons section, you can right click on the WordPress icon, go to tools and restart DNS. Once that completed, we can go back to our home page, and then we can see that WordPress is under your virtual host section. So we're going to click on this, and now we're going to choose our language and click continue and click let's go. And now we're going to open another tab and click on PHP My Admin. The username should be root, no password, click login, and then click databases. And now we're gonna create a database. You can call it WordPress _ site and click create. Now we're gonna go back to WordPress. On this screen you can fill in the database name and your username, no password, and in the table prefix section you can give a random combination of numbers and letters, and then click submit. Click run the installation. At site title, you can name your site whatever you want. I'm gonna go with my website project, and username Matthew. Make sure you copy your password, put it somewhere safe, and then add your email, and then click install. Now I can click login, and then click login. And that's it. Our Wampserver was installed successfully. Whenever you want to use your Wampserver, you can just go to your browser and type localhost and then click on WordPress, and then click on dashboard. If you don't have the option to click on dashboard here, you can just go to your URL and type login, and then fill in your information here. So here you can create a website, but it won't be found online. It's completely offline and nobody will be able to see what you're seeing if you share your URL. But this is good for practice, and you can also save designs and then upload them. Thank you, and stay tuned for more videos.